Here's a more detailed exam-level elaboration of Seasonique, expanded with deeper clinical, pharmacological, and practical insights. Seasonique, detailed drug profile. 1. Generic name, class, brand, formulation. Generic, levonorgestrel, 0.15 milligrams, ethinyl estradiol, 0.3 milligrams. Low dose phase, ethinyl estradiol, 0.01 milligrams. Class, combined oral contraceptive, extended cycle. Brand Seasonique, formulation, 84 active combination tablets, 7 estrogen-only tablets, not placebo, key difference. This design reduces estrogen withdrawal symptoms like headaches and heavy bleeding. Number 2. Definition, expanded. Seasonique is a 91-day continuous hormonal contraceptive regimen that suppresses ovulation continuously for 3 months, allows scheduled withdrawal bleeding only 4 times per year, maintains low estrogen levels even during break week. Nashner 3. Mechanism of action, detailed. A. Central hypothalamic pituitary axis, suppresses GnRH, FSH, prevents follicular development, suppresses LH surge, prevents ovulation. Peripheral effects, cervical mucus thickening, blocks sperm entry, endometrial suppression, prevents implantation, tubal motility alteration, interferes with fertilization. The progestin, levonorgestrel, is the main contraceptive agent, while estrogen stabilizes the endometrium. Now for pharmacokinetics, detailed. Absorption, rapid, oral bioavailability. Ethinyl estradiol undergoes first-pass metabolism. Distribution, highly protein-bound, albumin HBG, metabolism, liver metabolism via CY3A4 enzymes. Half-life, ethinyl estradiol, 18 to 24 hours. Levonorgestrel, 24-36. Elimination, urine plus feces, enterohepatic circulation important. Clinical note, antibiotics that disrupt gut flora may reduce estrogen reabsorption. Number 5, uses expanded. Primary, contraception, high efficacy if used correctly. Secondary, menstrual suppression, dysmenorrhea, menstrual migraine prevention, acne, off-label benefit, endometriosis symptom control. 6, indications. Women preferring fewer menstrual cycles, patients with heavy menstrual bleeding, premenstrual syndrome, PMS, PMDD, anemia due to menstruation, lifestyle preference, less frequent bleeding. Number 7, contraindications, absolute versus relative. Absolute, history of thromboembolism, DVT-PE, stroke or ischemic heart disease, breast cancer, hormone sensitive, severe liver disease tumors, migraine with aura, smokers 35 years. Relative, controlled hypertension, diabetes with vascular complications, obesity, hyperlipidemia. 8 precautions before taking, clinical assessment, blood pressure measurement, BMI calculation, smoking history, personal family history of clots. Special populations, postpartum, avoid early use, clot risk, breastfeeding, not preferred initially, adolescence, safe but compliance important. Our 9, how to use step by step. 1, start, day 1 of menstruation preferred, or Sunday start. 2, take 1 pill daily at the same time. 3, follow 84 active pills, 7 estrogen pills. 4, continue. Immediately start next pack, no gap. 10, dosing information, clinical insight. Perfect use failure rate, 11% per year. Typical use failure rate, 7%. Effectiveness depends heavily on adherence. 11, missed dose and overdose detailed. Missed doses, situation, action. 1 pill missed, take ASAP. 2+ pills missed, take last missed, backup 7 days. Missed in week 1, higher pregnancy risk, emergency contraception may be needed in some cases. Overdose, symptom nausea, breast tenderness, withdrawal bleeding, no specific antidote. Number 12, when to stop immediately. Use AICS warning signs. A, severe abdominal pain, liver ectopic pregnancy. C, chest pain, pulmonary embolism. H, severe headache, stroke. E, vision problems, retinal thrombosis. S, leg pain, DVT. Number 13, side effects expanded. Common, breakthrough bleeding, especially first 3 months, nausea, mood changes, breast tenderness. Less common, weight changes, libido changes. Serious, venous thromboembolism, stroke, myocardial infarction. No 14, vital clinical information, no protection against STIs. Smoking drastically increases cardiovascular risk. Missing pills owes reduced efficacy. Initial spotting is normal. No 15, drug interactions, detailed. Enzyme inducers, effectiveness. Rifampicin, phenytoin, carbamazepine, phenobarbital. Others, some antiretrovirals, St. John's wort. Always recommend backup contraception if interacting drugs are used. 16. Drug comparison, expanded. Seasonique versus Seasonal. Seasonal placebo week, more withdrawal symptoms. Seasonique estrogen week, smoother hormone transition. Seasonique versus monthly COC feature. Seasonique monthly OCP. Periods year, 4, 12. Hormone withdrawal, minimal, higher. Compliance, slightly harder, easier. Number 7, teaching. Detailed counseling points. Patient teaching for Seasonique. 1. How to take the medication. Take 1 tablet every day at the same time. Very important for effectiveness. Follow the pack in order. 84 active pills, 7 low-dose estrogen pills. Do not skip days between packs. Tip, set a daily alarm or reminder. Number 2, what to expect. You will have only 4 periods per year. Light bleeding or spotting is common in the first 2 to 3 months. Periods become less frequent, lighter, less painful. Number 3, missed pills instructions. 1 missed pill. Take it as soon as you remember. 2 or more missed pills. Take the most recent missed pill. Use backup contraception condoms for 7 days. If missed early in the pack, higher pregnancy risk. Number 4, important safety warning, HES rule. Seek medical help immediately if you have A. Severe abdominal pain, C. Chest pain or shortness of breath, H. Severe headache or dizziness, E. Vision problems, S. Severe leg pain, swelling. These may indicate blood clots. Number 5, lifestyle advice. Do not smoke, especially if 35 years old. Maintain healthy weight, regular exercise, check blood pressure regularly. Number 6, protection reminder. This pill does not protect against STIs, HIV, etc. Use condoms if STI protection is needed. 7. Drug and food interactions. Tell your doctor if you take antibiotics, e.g. rifampicin, anti-seizure drugs, herbal products like St. John's wort. These can reduce effectiveness. 8. When to contact a doctor. Missed multiple pills, severe side effects, suspected pregnancy, no bleeding during expected cycle, persistent heavy spotting. Now here 9. Special situations. Vomiting, diarrhea, may reduce absorption, use backup. Travel time zone changes, keep pill timing consistent. Surgery or immobilization, may need to stop temporarily. 10. Adherence tips. Keep pills in a visible place. Use mobile reminders. Carry backup pills when traveling. Sherp 11. Key take-home messages. Take it daily, same time. Missing pills equals reduced protection. Spotting is normal at first. No AIDS warning signs. No STI protection. Thank you. Have a nice day.